Jeffrey! Jeffrey, aye? Hey! Yes.
So I'm Ramona Samuels, signing out today from the history and legacy of Trenchtown!
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Alright. Moses. Moses.
Yeah, me a forward.
Oh, you there, boy?
Yeah.
Alright guys, I'm back at Moses. So, you know, when I came I never get what I wanted, you know, because it was busy, and then I went and I get busy myself. So I make sure I came back today, you know, to get myself what I was literally wanted, which is my coconut water, you know, my jelly water and them stuff there. Yeah, but I'm here quick and fast because we also have country as well too, who also recently donated the barrel. You know, country always donated. He's from White Plains Road, so he is here as well too. He's literally on his way to Trenchtown, you know, so I'm going to get this thing out the way quick and fast so I can go at Ibis Spice, get myself a tea, and then head into Trenchtown to go and meet him as well too. So you know, time is against us anyway. And we have Moses here. Moses wave the rod. Boy, yesterday we get caught up with time.
Yeah man, life boss, you know, one thing in life.
Yes, sir.
So a good thing I have good faith and put it down because I know say I forward, you know?
Yes.
And you're ready.
I'm respect because boy, I'm not trying to make it back yesterday and the time against me, you know?
Yeah, and plus a beer sweet one.
Yeah.
You know what I say? So for your sodium in the one, the potassium in the young one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet.
What?
See the guys? It's put down for me from yesterday. See, it's ice tonight, well chill. So you know, it's ready. This can't wash off out, you know? Yes, Moses. So where we have here? Can you know, is it that same thing there? But like chunks.
Yes.
And my mother requests one as well. So I come get it here in the week.
Okay.
Send up as well. I don't want to get it yet, get it in the week and send up for her as well too, you know? I would never get to talk about all the flour the other day as well too.
That is true. That is true. Alright, so let's go for a sample and talk.
That's what I go on there now.
Yeah.
That's what I go on there now. So Moses is the man, guys, so we're here. I'm said town is busy as I can see. Traffic blocking, you know, it's market day as well too. So everything is out. So this was the flour, right?
Yeah,
coconut flour.
Yeah, man.
Can you imagine you mention it and then we totally forgot to speak about it.
Another thing,
you know, the coconut flour.
Yeah.
So explain to me because we never get to that point then.
Alright, coconut flour. So you have your dry coconut, we extract the milk out of it. So when we extract the milk, we have the trash
are the fiber left back with milk residue still inside. So we dehydrate this. After dehydrating, we blend it to a finer texture. And boom, coconut flour for your fish, your chicken, your vegetarian products, your deep fry, add it like cornmeal, bagasse.
Okay, that makes sense. So that means this coconut flour, right? We can literally dip the fish in this.
Yeah.
And just fry it.
Just fry it.
Just like that.
Like breadcrumbs, but you know, bread don't really have no taste.
But this have the taste.
So you get real good flavor. Remember, the milk solids were still left inside the trash, so good flavor. Good flavor. Right, Joe.
So
vacuum seal.
Yeah.
1 pound.
1 pound. How much?
7 bills.
700.
Give it.
So definitely I'm gonna take this one.
Okay.
I'm definitely have to go execute this. You know?
Yeah.
have to go try this one now.
Yeah. All the cream will go on.
Yeah, I'm like the cream.
Alright.
Definitely like the cream.
Cooler man.
I even can try this with shrimp. You know, pop with the shrimp and fry it.
Your butter. You know what I'm saying? Right away. Right. And you know, so we have some other products that I want to tell you about.
Yeah.
Alright, new on the ground, coconut cream yogurt with peach. We'll show you the sample.
Coconut cream yogurt with peach.
Yeah.
You hear that one there? Coconut creamy yogurt with peach. Well, that one that sounds so much. I know you so much thing coconut can go on with. So right now, I'm gonna definitely the sample. I'm gonna try this out. You know, when I'm frying the fish, or if I'm frying shrimp, I dip it, drop it in the splash, and it goes shh, and it goes squash. Yeah. So sample is good. Alright.
Yeah, say them out clean, but I lie them out tell.
Oh.
Lie them out tell one key no life, you know what I'm saying? Might touch my soul.
Yeah.
Alright, so peach now. Alright, so basically what we got is fermented coconut milk extract. So remember we said we extract the milk from the hard coconut, right? So extract milk from the hard coconut, put it to ferment. After fermentation, we blend out nice and tone. Yeah man,
Yeah, man,
yeah,
grab the mic so we're good.
Yeah, so we blend out the coconut extract after fermented with peach. So it's a peach flavor. And then the coconut cream yeah man, Jamaica full of yang, may I tell you. Yeah, so China dash them, we will just pick them.
Yeah, dash them now we punch and we pick them up.
Yeah.
So basically
that are this. So good for your gut, you know what I mean? 100% natural, no preservatives. $800, too delicious, entire ready. Yeah man, so another product that
just eat it just like this.
Just like that. So it's also a yogurt / ice cream.
Okay.
Yes, so extract extract peach. Too nice.
Well, it sounds well nice.
Yeah man, that's quite peachy.
And this is what we have, the wrap.
Yeah.
Plantain wrap.
Yeah, in the land of reggae, you know.
The plantain wrap. So where's about this plantain wrap?
Alright, so the plantain wrap basically is 100% ripe plant dehydrated for about 20 odd so hours. Yeah, so you wrap up your anything you want, lettuce, tomato, your chicken, your fish, your ackee, your this and that, roll that up, sweet treat. So if you love ripe plantain, you love this.
Just eat it just like that.
Yeah, just like that. Non-starch. So if you're like, oh, you want a wrap but you don't want to starch, you can have this product. It won't affect your glucose index, you know what I mean? So diabetic, even though it's sweet, it's natural sweet. So it's monosaccharide, so it won't stress out your body to be digested. So plantain, you love plantain, wrap it up.
Just put your lettuce and your things in this and wrap it up and just
anything where you want, and your chicken, your fish, this and that. You want dehydrated, and we'll put a wrap sheet so you can cut in half and you have a paper and you clean up your hand at the same time. That one, platinum wrap. Oh, $800.
$800.
36 hours to make this, so you know, so I know like a fry something. This live food, live. So whole heap of electrolyte, same way. Alright, so wrap style.
Wrap style.
Yeah.
So the coconut wrap.
Coconut wrap. So alright, that one here. So it so anyway, ignore the the description. This is type
like
of
chunks and nuggets.
Yeah, that's for the chunks and the nugget
Lovers.
Yeah, so this one is like having a wrap without starch. Yeah, so just like the tortilla wrap made out of flour, this is 100% dehydrated jelly, coconut jelly. Yeah, and you wrap up same with the platinum wrap. You whatever you want to put inside is flexible.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's pliable. So you put your stuff and roll it up.
And
I use that.
And I use that.
Yeah, Lana reggae wrap it up.
Yo, I like my life where I go on. And this time, feel like I'm going to try the platinum one. Yeah.
You know, man.
I'm going to try the platinum wrap. And also the flour.
Yeah.
You know.
Tomorrow Sunday dinner.
Alright, you know, so definitely I'm going to try those.
Yeah, fish
and I have my
chicken.
coconut water here.
Yeah.
Ready to go.
Alkaline delight, eat health and taste.
That is it. So give them your number again once more.
Yeah. Give life. Alright, so you don't know number right on this 919, 876 before 919 9015.
Yes.
919-9015. Alkaline delight, eat health and taste. 1A Darling Street. Heart clean. Yeah man. Yeah.
So give a shout out to the people that will call you already and give us support. So pick them up.
Alright, I want to big up these wonderful customers. They came. This nice lady bought these coconut nuggets for her daughter to send go foreign. Left all the way from Jamaica. Foreign now them something. And we have them thing alive. Alright, so I want to thank you for your support. And this nice lady, I hope you're watching. You come buy a big buckle, say Akeynote life, you see it pan another. I want the same style. Big up on yourself. Tuba live.
Alright. And tell them exactly where you are again.
Western Kingston, 1A Darling Street. You can't miss it. A be love.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
man, right in front of the car park. Yeah, man. So
you have the bus park over there.
You have the bus park. I have great Lizard Town right there. So we can't change color from green.
Yeah, imagine it.
Yeah, man.
Lizard Town right here, so.
Right there, so. Yeah, man.
All this time you ever know so Lizard Town right there, so.
Right that corner right there, so.
You
Right.
think of Tivoli Garden?
Well, Tivoli Garden, yes, but the section of Tivoli Garden right here,
called
Lizard Town,
Oh,
and down there on a bush and trail line. So
yeah,
we call it the triangular. You can't miss it.
Yeah, miss.
You can't miss. And if you love the trouble, the station they over there. So
same way.
yeah, so you know where I talk about.
Yeah. So God, let me show you again where is that. You know, right on Darling Street. There's a sign there, Darling Street, right there. The car park is right there, you can't miss it. The police station is right there. So Darling Street right here, so you cannot miss it. Across from the brand new car park that them just set up. We have Joshua right down there as well too, doing his jelly thing, and that's how we're there. You know, so see that we loaded with jelly and everything. So we appreciate and we give thanks to him. You see me? One Moses.
Yeah, man, enough love in our street.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, more strength in the program. May the viewer and subscription go kaboom.
That is it. Well, boom up.
Yeah.
You see that guys, I'm gonna grab these. I know you think about that man. Go, man. Go.
Take them.
Yeah. We're gonna take them. And you can come and get them. Yeah. So while I take these, you can come and get some for yourself. So come and get them.
Now take all of them.
Yeah. Just come and get them. Yeah. Come on. Come on.
Yeah.
Alright then, Moses. You know you think about.
We have make you see how it make. Bring in another
So I go on.
So I want you to tell me like when you want to do it, so structure time and we'll do something nice.
Alright then. Alright then. That is it then. Alright then. Bless it. How I go on?
Go by place. Best.
Aye.
Get through.
Aye, boss. Our Empress has showed you. What we have here, we see lime.
Yeah, man. You know, we all need to do something.
Take one of them now.
You want one?
Yes, sir.
Which one? Anyone? Yeah, you know the power of the line.
The power of the lime, yes, man. It is strong, make it stronger than Noah.
It's a lime good? It's a lime good?
Yeah, man, power, man. You know the power of the lime make it strong like Noah. You see me?
Yeah,
I tell you, it's not sweet, but it's sour.
Sour. Give you enough power.
Give you enough power. Make you feel like you're Noah.
I know what to say in the studio.
You hear the rhyme, them and come out. We on time, you know? Trust me.
Come out, another lime.
Another line.
The rhyme.
But we do when you walk on time. Yes. Yeah, man, it's strong that never strong like Noah, you know? Trust. You know what I'm going to tell me, say? I'm telling him about a place I'm going to get a liquor. You know, deep body massage and everything. He went there. I told him, I said, that's why I'm going to see me.
We got the breadfruit frozen.
Breadfruit.
What do you want to give? Small tea and fry?
Yeah. The fritters. And the right plant.
Fritters and ripe plant.
Yeah.
And some fancy there to the tea, you know. Yeah, some of the fancy. You don't know them all, so
Yeah.
Yeah, man, she and her friend are come out same time and she has said my neck perfect. Like me not use my phone. Like what I said back in the day when we never used to have the phone, some neck used to look. But she has said but she has said she wonder how me young I have phone and my neck shaped up. But now I use phone see that neck. So come now them corner me did it. Yeah. When I best I open
Ever.
never. Ever. And she said come back.
I'm a new for us, them as well to forget my
Yeah.
we need to fix, you know. So them get them fixed up.
Yeah.
And that's right.
Yeah. I just show myself with the point. I never know major.
Yeah. So that means they never so bad then.
No. Because she said, where you coming from? Oh, just send them this forward. Alright.
Good. Now like me with the outer shape, outer balance, outer this, outer that. I was outer everything. On the outer line. I was outer line and everything, so. Alright guys, so a quick sip. Alright guys, so I just get my tea, myself some beetroot and herbal aid, you know. I cannot stay for too long because let me say I guess them just arrived now, so I have to run. But imagine I want to run with the tea, but the tea is too hot to run with the tea, so I don't know what to do. So I'm trying to sip some and then move it some. So that's the best thing I could do right now. So I have a guest over that way. Is it still hot? When I ask myself it's still hot, listen, this is too hot. I don't see no steam, you know? See that?
Alright, cover all the steam.
Brother. Yeah.
I tell place him there, no, so I already know he eat it,
Yeah. Empress.
brother. You know, big up
Take
yourself.
care, yeah? Fireman. Yes.
We always meet your fans, them though.
Yeah, I say you always have supposed to, you know?
Yeah.
We greet them. Guys, so I'm out the building with my tea. I got a lid on top of it. And I got my drinks. My healthy drinks. Alright guys, so hey. cheers. So guys, I'm heading into Trenchtown now. Just left Ibo Spice. So remember guys, Ibo Spice is on Orange Street. If you want to get your healthy food, remember to go to Ibo Spice on Orange Street. It's 131 Upper Orange Street. It's not downtown Orange Street, it's up Orange Street. You know, so if you're downtown, the same Orange Street, but you can follow the number all the way up to 131 Ibo Spice. And 131 Ibo Spice. Well, they have to start in the road, Ibo Spice Road. Yeah, but it's 131 Orange Street, you know, up Orange Street. You get to have nice natural drinks, you know. So I just got my beetroot and passion drink, you know, and the Herbalade that is so good, you know. The Herbalade is the substitute for lemonade, you know, and trust me, that is so good, you know, to have that. Yeah, because they use the fever grass, the blue vervine and honey wheat to make it, you know, and it trust me, it drinks so good and it was good for you. So yes guys, so let's get into Trenchtown now, because the guest is there, arrive, so needed me to arrive now also. So let's go. Sam, where the water there? The country there, from the sun.
You're late, man, so me have to go take something out of your pay, you know.
Nothing wrong.
You're late, man.
Nothing wrong. Man, I'm
Alright.
yeah. Country, welcome to Trenchtown.
Me call everybody by name. I make them know say me have family. See there?
Of course. Yeah.
But nobody asks me who you.
Now, catch you them see you.
No.
Everybody gonna know the name.
No.
Only name them know.
Yeah, only the name, but nobody asks you.
Who you?
Who you?
No, yeah. Yeah.
Everybody just come and shake me and God.
Because you know why? You see, like, the stigma with the pan Trenchtown, them feel like if you come and you hear some of them are like, how are you? Where you come from? You see me? So, yeah, so with you know, with the experience, you realize, Trenchtown are like what people talk about. Because the tree is strange. A man might see and feel like, say, yo, where the man I come from?
Oh man, the first man to come and sing and say, I say, Smiley!
Yeah.
Ask me who neither.
Just come and hear you.
Yes, man.
That's the same thing, that thing though, when I come and Trenchtown, you feel like.
We hear the man them say why we're not bad.
Yeah.
John, I want to go back.
Exactly.
God, I love you, man.
Alright. You see?
I come back.
And you come back.
I come back on party.
And it's early, you see me? You go join the place.
What?
Yeah, man.
Big up, man.
Big up, man.
Apology, real place.
Yeah.
I mean, I come back. I
What?
line up all a Bob Marley tour.
What?
That's my thing.
That's the thing. I'm glad I come get the experience so you can see.
Yeah, man. I'm a Rasta Virgin. I tell me what the place, man.
And you see, younger than he is.
Yeah. Elder then.
Well, she said, I don't call her elder anymore because she's still young. Baja, wait, that walk on.
We don't ask who, but I say from there is a part of the family.
Yeah.
Understand? Yeah, man. Part of the family, man.
Yeah.
You know everybody, but we don't know him.
Yeah. This man is a regular viewer, regular donor to the program. But you don't go hear the name. But you might just glimpse him when time there, America. You see me? But the man are regular, non-stop. The Bible will collect the other day, man, for the back to school. Like him send it as well too.
Grateful, man.
Yeah, man.
We bring in a new family, you know.
Yeah, man. You see me again, man.
Yeah,
Real place.
Same me name there, because fully ban everything.
Yeah, man. Anytime breadfruit and them things, you know, so I'm not come.
Alright.
Come here, we'll back family up, you know, when we can stay, you know.
Yeah, because you know, we always at work, so we always have things that go on munch pan, you know.
Them can't stay with me now. You too, you can't stay with me now.
That's why the two man can't stay with them one time.
I don't want you.
No, she tell you how bad she can be.
No, I'm not bad. I'm good, my good.
I good, she good.
Good, my good. You see there?
We can't sleep.
Inside can't stay, that's all.
we can't sleep
Alright.
anywhere.
Inside that, you can't sleep. Only problem.
Why can't you never do something else? I'm going to business.
Yo, listen to man, you're at home, you know. I'm glad you feel that at home.
I'm call Esther, she give me the direction, I say me have it.
But I'm glad that you feel home at home. Because I'm for your family. So I go on in the kitchen, we have Hermie out here.
Yeah. Take up on the cell for the paper. Yeah. Just say, yo, Jason there, you know, because this thing has to put on the record, you know.
Yeah.
Come to the logo, Jason there, you know.
And only live it.
Energy.
Yeah, one Pinedo.
Energy.
His name Pinedo, hero?
Pinedo?
Yes.
One team, man. You hear that? Yeah, man. Big up Akeynote, man. You see me, I say the founder, man, for Dream Team, man. You see me, I say, man, it's a wonderful work, man.
Yeah, big up, no flow.
Yeah.
I forgot about it.
Yeah, man, have to stop at Ibo and
Get one of them hot tea, the chocolate.
Oh, you know. Well, where am I? I'll be also opening next week, you know, we're going to need it on the ground for the cooking. Yeah.
Alright, nothing.
I will need it on the ground, definitely for sure.
I'm going to put the live, but the hours me I go in, bad man.
Yeah.
This one, I'm 5 o'clock to sleep.
So what Jack today?
I'll go hey.
Nobody have the number feed. Them teeth and four regular, nobody can get him.
Nobody can get him?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
You get me? I'm a boom. Because take a boom is a boom.
That work.
yeah,
That was a twin say. It ain't gonna work. You have to make a way to work. You get me?
Alright, double shift.
Yeah.
Okay.
The system said, you get me?
Yeah, same so fast. Yeah.
That system where we know say why we have to work with.
Hey.
You know how they speak again, man?
Pucci.
Aye, see there? Yeah, man, country remember everything. I say hero. Alright.
Once I know she, when it done this stuff. Him say I'll erase a pass and the pan. Let you shine.
Yeah, man, that is country, you know?
I tried so there, you know. We come from Tristan.
And see the guys, the back to school, dream team back to school.
About the woman.
Yeah.
Just like some people come here and say, I'm there for she.
So soon come back.
Also when they don't.
Up so.
You want to grind or something.
But also what means so the right there can fall. Oh, you're a good lord. Oh, I'm smell wormy curry in the kitchen.
Curry up and now dry up.
Curry in our oil.
Quick and fast. Rice done down and you know go to record. Quick and fast. Like Messi.
Alright.
Like Messi, you know.
See it there. And we're live on TikTok.
Yeah, from what they're live, you know. After let's see that for you. Oh, I don't feel I'm get something.
In a reach far.
Don't feel I'm get something. Spirit then.
Yeah. That is it. So we're on TikTok live. We live here on TikTok. We're on TikTok. Tap up the screen.
Tap
Make it day today. Tap up the screen. Tap up the screen. All we need is oil and rice.
Yeah, man.
We have the pot. We have the fire.
Yeah.
So give me the oil and the rice and the fish and the chicken.
Yeah, man. We're
active. Tap up the screen with some chicken. Tap it up with some rice and some flour.
Yeah.
We have the pot, we have the fire.
Yeah. Everything there.
Everything.
You have to go in there.
Yeah.
That is it, man. That are going there today.
Well, curry down.
Curry.
And we not hurry down neither, you know.
Leave that hurry.
It's going to simmer right down.
Right now we just have a stone.
Yeah. So right now, so we're have the chicken. You see me? Just I go and curry the rice out there.
Yeah, right.
I go and baby down. It's a Gia. The guys over here, Gia, go and put in some work. Being his step. Yes, Gia. Making it work.
Yeah, man, I want cheap team, you know.
Yeah.
You work for the shop, you know.
So this is the barber shop. Tell them the name of the barber shop again.
Elevated Cut.
Elevated Cut.
Yeah, man.
When you get that cut, you feel like you're flying.
Yeah, man, you elevate, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. If you can't get a girl, like get a girl.
Hey,
yeah.
With them sharp cut there.
Yeah, man, let's look out feet, man. 4th of July.
Yeah.
4th of July, the walk, man. You see my peeps.
Oh.
One dream team again.
Mm-hmm. Wait, so you be a step, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. You have it, man.
Me, my brother, and Mr. Man.
Yeah.
Him are the artist creator.
Okay.
Yes, man.
Listen, I poor man this.
Yeah.
Cousin Dream.
Yeah, man, sugar. That's a million.
Cousin Dream. Cousin Dream. You there up on the ski? I Cousin Dream this. I Cousin Dream that, man. I Cousin Dream this, Smiley. No. I'm a friend Dream. What my cousin there? I'm need to see my cousin, man. I'm gonna look for my cousin because I'm see Baja, but I'm not see Dream. You see Baja? You don't see Baja? You see him? You don't see him, man. I'm gonna look for Baja. I'm gonna look for Baja. I'm gonna look for Baja. Yeah, boy. Where me in the kitchen cooking chicken, make it work. What kind of rice am I cook? Pumpkin? Oh. Not ready for bubble yet.
See?
Yeah.
Small steam I run up tonight.
Yeah.
You know, so let's start fight because water don't need that time.
Oh.
And a bubble.
Oh, we have white rice here.
Yeah.
There's some curry over there. Yeah. White rice here with some curry. Yeah. Tell where me have to go forward to come help me out with the kitchen for Wednesday.
You can't duck it out the same now here.
No, watch out. People in my life, I'm be 5 o'clock and sleep. Oh. Because I really like was straight back in. And last night I straight my brother telling about 4. If I tell them, you go back in, I'm more than 11.
Me I put in the work, man. Where me I put in the work, you know. Say, Heineken and thing there, man. Just forward.
Heineken by now.
You drink it like water.
Beer. Every minute.
You drink it like water.
Are you live?
Yeah. Yes, and them live, man.
Yeah, man. Dig on worms. You know it, go. No, live. Yeah. That is it. Live on direct. Tap up the screen. Yeah, man. So no,
send the flour, send the rice.
Yeah, man. Send the flour, send the rice. Everything.
Send the chicken with the back.
What you mean?
Yeah.
Everything. Send it on.
Because we have the pot already.
Yeah, the pot there, the pot fire. They start boiling up.
Go, genius.
You know it, go.
You know star genius.
Baby, them go.
What? Go for baby, them see them there.
Pass a food, I cook.
The baby.
Yeah, let me pass the chicken.
We are slime. See the man himself. See the man himself. How would I?
Oh, where can you forward from? Sir, you get a full pay.
That is country. The way I was about country, I was a country that himself. Right, Jackson? The man them beat him and you can't drink like them man, brother. A creep and creep, the man them they are beating him.
Yeah, just go find around.
Are you cousin?
Yeah, just find out.
Just a word.
In a real cousin? Them talk and find out my cousin and just adopt.
Jackson, you come up for the work. You've been doing double the money.
Oh, it's not coming so late and all. It's tired of blood. 3 chicken for do, you know.
3 chicken?
Oh, 3 chicken.
Yeah, man, that's rum in there. Go and help them drink the rum, because them can't manage the rum, you know. Yeah, them can't manage.
Water.
Yeah, them can't manage it.
I can't manage it neither.
Jeffrey, aye? Hey. Big cousin and little cousin. Big cousin and little cousin. Jackson been working 9 till 5.
Night and day, my bro.
Night and day. Jackson been
working 9 till 5 to keep my kids alive. My family to live it. Come on, get in. I help people wonder where I is, but I wanna get down and find a way to get away.
9 till 5. 9 till 5. It's 9 till 5. 9 till 5. 9 till 5. Oh, 9 till 5. 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 Tell the money done burn up. Well, Jackson is here. So we are there. Where the swim around for the rest of them? Oh, go on. Where the swim around for the rastas?
Oh, there. Outside. Respect that.
Yeah, that's the way.
The time to be happy is now. The place to be happy is now. But the ways to be happy is to make all the happy, rather have all the happy right now.
Right now.
Come on. Time to be happy is now. The place to be happy is here right now. But the ways to be happy is to make all the happy, rather have all the happy.
One waist. Take it down, alright, it's a concept. Yeah, it's a concept.
Right, a white fence road there.
Yeah. Got it, the place to be where Jackson is right here.
Right in that bakery.
Right now. Right in the bakery there. Right in that bakery. Yo! Big up my general. Yo, send two of them vegetable party come right now. Right now. The place is to be is right here.
Right again. Right on Jackson.
Right now.
The place to be happy is here.
Right now.
And the ways to be happy is to make all the happy. All the happy right now.
Right now.
The time to be happy is now.
Right now.
The place to be happy is now.
Right now.
But the ways to be happy is to make all the happy. Rather of all the happy right now.
This is to be his dream team right now.
Yes, I said no.
Wait there, y'all up here walk for to see at the pad. When I say the swim around. Up here walk for to see in at the pot. And when they swim around, the wormy walk one. Wormy in the kitchen cooking chicken. Yeah. Yeah, up here, walk for to see in the pot. We don't see the swim around for the rest of them.
Rest of them might
No, and up here, dry land shark we see in the pot. We need the ocean.
Yeah, buy chips if you want. Buy boom up. Buy chips. From morning, we come here. You can't buy boom. You can buy it. Tell me I can't get a drink for buy. We boom them. I want to tell my shop. Yeah, man.
Give up some flavor, you know. Market them. Don't ramp them here, people. Flavor.
You want more cool than fire, man.
This can go and see, man.
No, sir.
That dead, no?
That dead, man.
Dead.
Yeah, chef. Fire. You put
Papa,
fire.
you cook food, eh?
It's got rice and steam. Out. You go so I go on. We fat cover it.
You tell them, man.
The one chop up.
Yeah, big.
Yeah.
Leg them and them too. Good still, man. Man get a fat meat and plate and feel good, you know. This is hard broke up so now, you know. Normally when them chop up find it more. Mash out, pick.
You know, juice in them off now.
Juice? Yeah. You know drink juice?
You know, if you off my
Family. Yeah. They say all the way from
Lucy
and come here, come find a cousin.
James. Real James thing. Big up on yourself.
Just like that.
Yeah, tell them, man.
Just like that. Look how far. Resort baby. Resort baby. We cannot see you. Why you say come find wife too? Find cousin and find wife.
Don't put that part of it. We have to talk that after.
Alright.
Kiro, now come back.
Yeah.
What you are? Yes, you can't let your buy my phone cook it. No, you know.
No matter about.
One different day, man. What plan one day, man? I love yourself.
You love the vibes?
Yes, man.
See, tell them about trench town. The trench town is not what they think.
Well,
it's not what they think it is.
I never know you, I tell you.
The first time coming here?
Yes, man. I come in at my original place.
Alright. I come all the way from Lucy.
Come find my cousin. Miss James. Where is my place next time?
Where is not the dance? Where is tonight? Where is not the dance?
Hey, stop!
Where is not the people with music? Where is not the dance? Where is tonight? Well, Jackson up his run now. Come here, come meet your son and the daughters. Welcome. How are you want? Where is tonight?
Yeah. First street, but
we have Jenna. We have Jenna in the building.
One genius.
Remember, in a house opening next week. This week coming.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Wednesday.
House opening. House opening. Anything you know how here.
It's opening in a river. Here we are.
Close. Yeah.
We always close. We never make it. We just in control of it. No, we're not buying any $1,000 shots anymore.
I guess the pot have to be bigger.
So this trip we may ever go to.
Yeah.
Special occasion.
Well, you know, we have to keep it simple because street are going to be a lot of people. There will be probably the rice and peas and the French fried chicken.
No, but you still have to put in a little thing.
Yeah.
I shall repeat. Pumpkins. Yeah.
That one the happy involved.
Yo, would you believe some still got pumpkin in my fridge?
Which pumpkin?
Oh, you mean which pumpkin?
Not the pumpkin rice.
Pumpkin stew with my pumpkin rice.
So, you still have?
How you still have that?
Because I froze it.
Why?
Because I need it.
You need it to consume it.
Exactly.
I eat half a lever.
So long?
No, each day I go in, I take it apart and I warm it.
You don't want to leave it taste of
No. But you telling me, you know, sir, when food no one done, but still I got half my food in it.
I want to leave it here. How can I put contain in that? Ijela, I supposed to know about that one day. Every night I go eat on 2 spoons and put what the rest.
And the taste, you know.
And the taste. You don't want to finish
don't miss the taste there. So, keep it for remind him of the taste.
That's one of the great stew, pumpkin stew.
Just me.
Yeah.
Real talk, man.
I ain't lying, bro.
Yeah, man, real talk, man. Yeah, man, I want that terrible.
Yeah, man. I'm a special man, but we put a lot when you put it aside.
Yeah, man, I want that terrible, brother.
Yeah, tell it. Akeynote, man, I'm going to feed man to have them side, man. Right now, I catch that right now, yeah.
You're not catching?
Yeah, man, I grab it, man. No, Joe.
You're not catching?
Let's see if I see how you whip it up and take. Yeah, man, I work with that, man. I just know,
there's a way to it.
Yeah, I watch that too.
You have to watch that.
I watch that too, man. I watch when them throw it out and watch when them throw it, man.
Seasoning
I watch that. We're creative already.
Yeah, so you can. Yeah, tell you the truth. So all along him did a copy.
Yeah.
You have to catch it.
Yeah, you have to.
But that's how we live. Yeah, that's how we learn.
Yeah.
So I want you to know, you say if you don't want items to taste like the flavor you don't want, like if a chicken don't love and you want to taste like chicken, I want to taste like beef or whatever, me that.
Are you that?
Anytime I cook items to it tastes like anything you don't want to taste. Yeah man, me that man.
Where's that Chinese stew?
If I cook it, if a beef you don't want, it tastes like beef too. If a chicken, that tastes like chicken too, because some will do it. Flavor I put it in. Yeah, I'm going to KFC, you know. 21 different flavors in my food.
Keep it flavored. Keep it flavored.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Just like Baskin Robbins too. 21 different flavors.
Just like that.
I hate though, man. You see where we are still. And that we like. You see the unity. Look, trying to come over there, sir. Look there. So we do the togetherness.
Yeah.
And the inputs, a dream team. And what we stand for. And it bring all of these together.
Yeah.
You understand?
I've been doing it for years.
We've been doing it for years. And the worst thing about it is that you have some little negative energy always come about. Sometimes you have to scared about even the kids them we have grew up on the road. And them thing there. You understand? The elderly them. You have good people going out about them business. I try to make ends meet and try to make things better. And at the end of the day, you have these little people just come in and try to disturb and disrupt.
Yes, sir.
You understand? We are trying to break away from it. These are the things that we want. People who come way from afar, abroad, everywhere, and come from the corner.
Like I even say, you can't blitz us a trench stone night.
Let me show you.
Man come all the way from Lucy
so as we say,
have to come back.
You them, you can't bother one party. You have to choose. So if you want to mix and mingle amongst the people and where you say you love and care for brother, keep the peace.
Yes, sir.
Put on the machine. And make you live as one.
And come with the queen.
So nice. Come with the queen and enjoy. You understand? So that we like a little togetherness and a dream team. The only team. The only real team.
The only real team.
May I tell you, one dream team. And may I tell you, you see at the end of the day, you see you, when all the goings get rough and all the goings get tough, you still stand up and you still stand up and make it work. I mean, I appreciate that with you. So Father God would always continue to bless your youth, preserve you and keep you as you continue to do the work. You understand? A one genius and a one dream team. All right.
I'm a queen. Come link Joe. I'm rate them a queen.
Come on.
Rate them a queen.
Keep on do the right, man. You always do it, man.
So you know, so we coming to that time with Cranberry them with the project. I will say Jella gonna be the first one now to get our bathroom started. That's what I said she wants, a bathroom, right?
Which is right.
It's a bathroom. You see me? So most of the members them that them really lock up. You see me? A bathroom for them.
You know our house.
I know she's a female, guys. Not because you say her just like this every time. Sometimes the probably forgot say yo, she's a female. You know? Too she kind of masculine and out there with the masculine man. Them to be like say,
be a man to power with, so that's the reason why.
But me not go the wrong way.
No. She not go the wrong way. Yeah, but she have a child. Straight like an arrow. Yes, she have a child. Don't watch the physique. Yeah. She have a child. Straight. They know she go the wrong way.
So, as you said, so right now we're done with up on the cranberry and them thing. We are come back at Trenchtown, so you know, say yes, so it start.
Yes.
You understand? So we are come back here, so and come give back here, so to the members then.
Yes, I.
Jella, Shiju.
Yes, I.
It's been a long wait.
Yes.
But nothing beat time.
Nothing beat time.
You understand?
All we need is a caravan.
So we always have to look out for others before we can attend to ourselves.
Sometimes.
That's how it's got.
Yeah, of course.
You understand?
Of course.
All we need is a caravan, you know?
People who need it more and them thing there. It's not that you don't need it, but sometimes you put yourself aside in order to help others. You understand?
Yes,
and that's what we are doing. So we are come back home and jail and then we move for another member and them thing there. So
yes,
as I say, we want Trenchtown keep calm, brother. We want 3rd Street and the whole community. Youth and youth.
Love
put them the gun, brother. A unity we are dealing. Don't come spoil the thing.
Justice.
Yeah, man. Don't come spoil the thing.
Justice for all.
Load the youth them for grow. We never run on the road and come and pie and then I'll kill you. We don't want that.
Yeah.
I want to youth about you now. Look for 3rd Street how it's nice. A vehicle on the road. Productive people.
Yeah.
And the minority I make
development are going over there.
The minority across this, brother.
Yeah.
I need for just weed out the minority, brother. I will just join it. You understand? I make it work, brother.
Love and unity.
Yeah, man. We the change.
We make sure so we grow. We next Prime Minister, we next Minister of Security.
Yeah.
We next Education Minister. We have to make sure so we grow them properly.
Half a 3rd Street.
Yeah, because
so why are them there? Are them little juvenile there? Are them little juvenile there? Them little juvenile we are protect. Them little ups and downs. What them are going with?
Them make sure so we grow them youth there.
Yeah.
We make sure so we grow Prime Minister, Security Minister, Minister of Finance. We make sure we grow them properly.
Yeah.
I mean, so when they get the portfolio, them know what to do. Simple.
Tell her, I want some grung season for the fish. Yeah. Yeah? I'm getting something. Do some grung season for the fish.
Nice, man.
Nah, it's not the difference.
Here?
Yeah.
Grung season for the fish. Grung season for the fish. Grung what the grung survive.
Nice talk. Nice talk.
Country. How's your Trenchtown experience so far?
Yeah, brother, I mean warm.
Yes. All right, so when I ask the Trenchtown,
I was doing my thing all the while before you get here.
Yeah.
Right.
All right. So you're already home.
Yeah. Oh, Sexy Terry from Mount Vernon. You said me for biggie up from the
Sexy Terry, big up. Just the whole scene up on the scene.
Yeah, man.
Sexy Terry.
You're the hero.
Sexy Terry, big up yourself. Yeah, that out of Mount Vernon, no?
Yeah.
Sexy Terry.
Sexy Terry.
Right down from Bronx. Sexy Terry. From Mount Vernon. Yeah. Big up yourself, Sexy Terry.
Yes, sir.
From Mount Vernon. Because country there with rugged.
Yeah.
There with we are going full of vibes from early on. Big up yourself.
Tell us I'm rich.
Yes, tell them some rich. Rich.
I mean, I know without your shy Ara say a word, but she see, oh, she there here. You're shy Ara, hello shy Ara, that's how we have. You don't say much. Daniela, what I'm going Daniela? I two twin them, you know. She don't leave her alone. See them there? Yeah, they don't leave her alone. On the back to school tree, see there? The 16th of August. And I say come early to avoid any disappointment.
You know, chop out the 26th. Can use but the posters.
Yeah, the 26th.
The 2026.
Okay, it's good. Okay, so every year we can keep using it, reuse. So this now have no year. It says August 16. We're not telling about 2026 or what. So every year I the same flyers for the rest of the time. That's a smart move. So big up Tara and Suki. You know, big up Satnam and the team from Canada to make this happen, you know. So,
Are we school is AI school?
Yeah? No, it's the Trenchtown Future School.
Okay.
So these are the future kids them, you know? This is the future kids them, the Trenchtown. You see the colors?
Famous online personality. Hi, I'm Ramona Samuels.
Nice
Good to meet you. We came here twice before. This is our 3rd time here now. And we were told that you are one of the popular figures who are doing a lot of positive things in Trenchtown. and in Jamaica at large as well. And you've given back, you've helped persons, and you're doing well.
We're giving back, we're definitely giving back.
Wonderful. So tell us everything that is positive about Trenchtown and also about your situation that you're in.
All right then. Esther, hold this over please.
Right.
Esther, hold this over.
Oh, so you can have on 2 months, yours and this.
Alright, no problem.
I don't want his chain to brush on it.
It's fine, it's fine, right?
Alright, so again.
Which way you want us?
Robin,
you want the background where the shop is?
Yeah.
Alright, we could use our background here. We could use our background here. Whoa. Country. Yeah, it's a background. So no word in that, I'm a team. We have a journalist out here, right? You see? So we have Ramona in the building.
Ramona Samuels.
Ramona Samuels.
From the voice box.
Yeah,
you stand on that side.
On this side?
Yes. Right.
You come on this side. You come on this side.
No.
Come on, you have to touch for my face and me can touch for my face. Yeah.
I'm actually to be
yeah, so.
Okay, so Keena, again, tell me everything about what you are and the positives of Trenchtown.
Yeah. So basically, alright then, so Keena Life in Jamaica, we have organized a team together with members that from the community that come together to do help out, you know. So it's a very long story, you know, so we want to just make it short and spicy, you know. So hold on there, hold on, yeah, we'll do our interview. So basically, you know, it's called the Dream Team. So we build a team. First we start off with about 26 members, yeah, 26. So everyone come together to help out the less fortunate in the community. So everybody giving back, you know, because we all grew up here. So this is known for a give back, which is people donated to the cause of what's going on in Trenchtown. Because as you can see, it's not everything that's glitter. You know, something is not gold, but something has zinc and something's board. You know, so what we try to do is to help out the less fortunate that really in need of the help, which is most of the members them need help themselves. Them still give a time to help out the situation that someone that's needed the help. You know, I'm gonna say the gathering that you see right here is most members and also have guests who you see is a guest as well, also a donor to the program as well too. He's all the way from Bronx. Yeah, so he's also a regular donor to our program. You know, so which is, I must say, what highlighted the situation of someone's struggle and people who donated to the program. So it's either if a back to school, renovation, or if the house is needed to rebuild from scratch, people who donated and we will come together and just help out the need that's definitely been needed.
When did you first start this? What year?
2020.
Okay, just about COVID time.
COVID time, yeah, because in them times everyone was locked down. Yes. You know, so COVID time when people got time now to can relax and see what's really going on. Because people hear about Trenchtown, but they don't see what's really going on inside of Trenchtown. Because when you hear about Trenchtown, what's the first thing come to your mind?
Music, rocksteady, the history of reggae,
Bob Marley,
the Wailers. I think of all the beauty that has to do with musicality here, and the rich potential, the legacy that we have to see here. Trenchtown, and believe it or not, my father was from Trenchtown back in the day, way back, and then his family moved to McCook's Pen. So in Barnia, but never Anya.
Yes.
So I still feel a connection one way or the other.
Take up that cup there for me and the water right there, so they're right at the table there. Alright, so I'm saying, so basically now, so we started that from 2020 and we are in 2026 right now, so it's continuing because keep it. So it's a it's a transparency, you know, so whenever someone donated, we show the amount that they sent and the recipient when they're receiving it and they count it and they thank the donor that sent the money. right? So we've done countless of projects built from scratch, you know, renovation, you know. So if we did got the time, you know, some other time we could have showed the project that we already done already.
I think there was one gentleman who was in a wheelchair. We paid him a visit, but we didn't get to actually go in with cameras, you know, like his privacy. But if you can show us one project at least that you're super proud of, that you had a major hand in, we'd love that.
Okay, you will show you the first one that we start off with as well too. You know, so yeah, come.
All right.
So basically, we're going to show you
we're walking with Kina Lifestyle, right?
Kina Life in Jamaica.
Kina Life in Jamaica. So this is exciting for us. We were with Councillor Marshall before. Start.
Sarah.
Of course, yes, of course.
Okay.
We have Nature. He walked us here with you.
Oh yeah.
He was going to walk with us again, but he's giving you the opportunity. So show us,
So basically, the project that kicked off everything was this one here was the first one that we did that.
Okay.
That this gentleman.
Yes.
Yeah. So this gentleman.
Hello.
So this gentleman been paralyzed for over 20-something years now and counting. Yeah. 20-something years now and counting. So I'll step here.
Okay.
So. So this was the first one in 2020 that we did.
Big head split fella, right?
Yeah, this was the first one. So basically it wasn't like this. It was literally like, it was on this side and you could have literally speak to him from outside because of the situation, the condition that how it was. He's a friend of mine before I migrated from here. I went to the UK, you know, but when I left, he was already paralyzed. So when I came back now, the situation that he was going through was really bad. You know, so when I came back now, I was working with some other program called Jamaica Good Life. Same on YouTube, you know, but it was more about the way of life in Jamaica, you know, the culture, you know, the farming and all of that. You know, so interview elders to get their story and all of where they're coming from. So after that now, when everything branched off, you know, I decided I started my own channel after the guy realized that what I want to do. So my intention was to help him. You know, because that's what all thing was on my mind, try to help people.
Yes.
Because, you know, you're from a community and you know the situation. You left here and you came back. And
you make better for yourself.
Yeah, and I still the same when I came back. So people still in the position that I left them are probably worse.
Oh, Lord.
You know, so, you know, them always said the heart is willing, you know, but the pocket is weak.
But we're glad that you have the strength for open up your mouth
and
invite others and show them the meat of the matter, and people took action.
Yes.
It's brilliant.
And I really appreciate them to literally reach out, you know, to support the cause when them see the need, you know, because they don't have to, you know, because people that donated, I don't know none of them. But them see the situation, them felt the struggle of what people is going through. So he was the first one, because he's been paralyzed from the waist down, you know, been shot. So he used to got his 2 legs.
Yeah.
So
was a regular guy.
Yeah, he used to play football and thing. All of us play football growing up. So you know, we all have a future, want to be something, because you know it's not football or music. There's something that we need to do to take ourselves out of the community, you know, to elevate ourselves. Because you know, sometimes getting job because of your address, you won't reach far sometimes.
But you know what? We're debunking that. Because we walk through Tivoli, we walk through Allman Town, we walk through Trench Town, you know, we walk through the inner city, them highlighting the positive. Yes, the negatives are there. Yes, no, they're not negatives. That's what people have, the stereotype of the inner city. But we're debunking address and where you come from and you can't work here. So. Because they're well-thinking persons from the garrison, intelligent people from the garrison, well-put-together people from the garrison. So when I want to address sheltering and who are gatekeeping come from this, so that couldn't be. We don't want any more of that. So we're glad we have you as an example and several others that we've spoken to and just highlighting the positives and the legacy of the community.
Of course, because the legacy is here, because the history speaks for itself.
Of course.
You know, so for the younger generation and for us, you know, we want to set a brighter future for the kids them coming up. You know, but sometimes it's very hard to set an example, more than it's best you be the example, you know, because it's more for you to inspire someone for what you're doing. You know, telling someone what to do and you're not doing it, it's a total different ball game. You know, so with that said and done, as I say, I was trying to be the example of doing its charity to make it happen, you know, because I'm not saying that people don't try, you know, but maybe,
It's hard sometimes.
yes, so maybe when it comes down to money, listen, behave yourself, you know, go this way, please, please.
With us from there.
Yeah, understand. So we can't say people don't try, you know, but sometimes when you try, when money is involved, and too much people is around, sometimes it causes problems.
It does.
Because we see that in reality in the eyes, you know, what money can do. So you have to have that loyalty to yourself and to the Almighty, you know, and trust that He sees everything you do. So once He sees everything you do, you have to always can be honest to what you're doing, you know, because we know honesty is the best policy, you know, because that's the only way, you know. So the best thing is to give, right? Because there's no life worth living if you're living for yourself.
Wonderfully said. Now we just want to ask you one last question. What's the main positive aspect in your opinion and that you love so much about your community, Trenchtown in West Kingston?
What I love about this place, right, when, you know, we have ups and downs in the community, but whenever there is peace, I don't think there's nowhere on earth nice as our Trenchtown is. Growing up as a child, like everything is here for you to have fun, you know, like the togetherness, you know, the excitement, the joy that Trenchtown brings, like, and overall, I don't know where it comes from, but the people that grow up here, the left is inner spirit, you know, because sometimes we keep bounded by the past, but once you get the freedom to have the peace, it's like we just make it count, because sometimes we know anything can pop up at any time. So whenever we get that chance to enjoy ourselves, we make it like there's no other day to come to enjoy ourselves, you know. So the best of it, you know. I will love it, you know. So that's whenever I turn my back, you know, I still come back and I try to do what I can do, you know. And I use my platform to do that, you know. And this was the start, and there's many more that we've done already. And even though there's even one right there that you're looking at, seeing me as well too, you know. And so the journey never stopped and it still continue. But at this minute, we're literally doing some work outside of Trenchtown, up by Gardentown Road, helping out a family that was living in a one room, you know, 6 of them living in one room and one bed, you know. So we try to, you know,
raising funds for that.
yes. So,
never mind, baby. Your big sister, honey. I have to listen to big sister.
Yeah.
That is how it is. You know, it's live, it's happening. The realness of everything. Go to the babies. Okay.
yeah, so you know, then we have to always try to guide them, you know. So it's as I say, the journey, we all have a purpose, so we have to actually figure out the purpose that we're here for. Because when we're here for a small period of time in the physical, so it's what you want to leave behind, you know. So everybody have a choice. The good,
and it's still that legacy.
Yes.
Regardless of who the legacy coming from, the togetherness is a form of legacy. Alright, excellent.
Love is the way, and that's the only solution, you know. So if you can be the example to show the love,
that's what we're doing.
Show the
We're
love.
just glad that the kindred elements brought us to you, Sarah Marshall, nature, and everybody would have showed a vibe there in Trenchtown.
Yes.
Alright.
Trenchtown is a vibe. Yes. So you know the thing that's
so family and friends, lovers of reggae, lovers of the Jamaican culture, whether you're bad man, good man, God bless, Christian, atheist, we all know right from wrong. We all know what we have to offer. And once it's that positive element, then we're good to go. Alright, so we're wrapping up things now. The Voice Box, Ramona Samuels TV, Kina
Life in Jamaica.
Kina Life in Jamaica.
And YouTube.
Yeah.
So if you want to speak to one and two of the members, them, you know, and get their input, you know, and they will tell you about the work that we're doing, you know, what they think about what we're doing.
Excellent.
You know, so
and
let's go there.
We're going to do a one talk with them and we're going to do a final close.
Alright, no problem.
Third Street.
Yeah. So you want to talk to him?
I want to talk to because I wasn't sure if you wanted it.
So Jin. So give them a one talk as well too, yeah? You want to give him the mic?
Yeah, give him the mic. Yes.
You want my mic?
Yeah, you can give me a mic.
Alright, well, this is...
Yeah, keep your own connected.
Can I come around there? So sorry. Listen.
Yeah?
Yes, I listen.
So remind us of your name. Hello. Thank you for having us. Say again.
Here we have some members of the team. We also have a slogan, right? And our slogan, we will say, Dream Team, one team, one team, Dream Team, and it's the only real team. So here we have some members, and we also have an extended family that donates who's here today. Yes. And we have Baja, who we call the motivational speaker. Bob the builder, the jack of all trade. Who is the one that gives his time coming to help out. He's the main builder. I know we have laborer and everyone trying to learn the trade. So this is Baja himself, as I say. You can ask him any question about how he feel like giving back to the community of Trenchtown. And we'll take it from there. So Ramona, come through now.
Yes, okay. All right. Thank you, gentlemen. Yes, so what are we saying now? The Kina Lifestyle TV and the Dream Team of Trenchtown, upliftment and everything that Trenchtown and the spirit of the people has to offer. All right, so what's the last talk where you want to give it? Because we have to do a big closing up. Because after we go 1st Street, 2nd Street, 3rd Street, 4th Street, almost go 5th, 6th, 7th, almost up to 14 before war and alcohol division. Because we're representing for the whole Trenchtown, regardless, the whole 40, whether we go there or not, with the people. And we're just so glad that we had a counselor, Sarah Marshall. She was with us earlier. We had nature, we give it a walk from Culture Yard. And we had little children with us, keeping us alive and feeling, you know, we just feeling young and well, like we matter. So we just want to encourage Jamaicans. You know, say the African side of our side still. Judy represent for the Africans and the black people and the culture, but we are everybody same. You know what I mean?
African team.
Yeah, I love Brazilians and I love Brazil, so yes. Yes. So we just want to say, Jamaica and the world at large, stop stigmatizing the inner cities. Stop it, please. It's modern times now, and even though we know that a whole part, you know, sometimes political violence and sometimes criminality come with the garrison. We don't want that to be the highlight of no garrison in Jamaica. We are decent people, educated people, talented people, well-wishing people from the garrison, and that's why we're doing what we're doing. We highlight it, and we're highlighting, and we did highlight the legacy of Trenchtown, the culture. Wait till yes to the talent. Of course, everybody. So from the Dream Team now, give me one last word for the world. Give me one last word.
Last word. Trenchtown. So Trenchtown is a place many stars. I love Trenchtown. Bob Marley alone.
I want it for them.
Alton Ellis. Yeah, man. Wow Chef. Akeynote. Yeah, boom. Natty Blade. Natty Blade. Yeah, man. Movie star.
So the man says Baja can tell you if they give his input of what
Trenchtown are the life, not only for the garrison, and not only for Trenchtown, but it brings the life of Jamaica itself. This is where everything starts. Musically,
rocksteady, reggae.
This is where all our history starts. You understand? And for us to be here right now celebrating the past, which we have to also celebrate the future and the present, which is now. But you know, say what's taking place right now in Trenchtown. All of these little kids that you see over there, we don't like them to move freely, peacefully, but you have negative energy, which will always be there in every community. We need to eliminate that, extinct that entirely.
Prayer warriors. We need your prayer warriors.
You understand, out of the life of these kids and the community itself, because you have good people here. Each morning we get up, the kids them on the street, we have after school, running up and down, you have them a little fractions that come and them try to create mayhem. You understand? We're scared for the kids them sometimes, but now that we have the opportunity, we would like to appeal to those out there
look into certain things and say, this is it. This is the stopping point. We can always try to protect the youth, preach love, and do what is positive for us to move forward by building a better future for us in this time, the present and the future. You understand? We have to look back at times, but as we look back, we have to look ahead because we have to shape it from the past. And right now, Dream Team itself has been doing that from day one. We're bringing in the love. We try to help those who we need and try to, be a part of people's life that who's unfortunate that we have the opportunity to make it better. And once we see those things, we try to involve ourselves and try to keep a positive note. Akeynote here, trust me, him carrying an umbrella who spreads across Trenchtown. You understand? He's an example of everything that's taking place here. You understand? Up to this time, we have been here quite a while now. There's ups and downs in everything. But in order to make things better, somebody has to make a sacrifice. Somebody has to put themselves forward to take the fall. But the greatest thing about it is that when you fall, you can be able to pick yourself up and move forward because we are here for a purpose. And your presence alone show that we are doing something positive because Father God named you to be here.
Ordained by His man.
To share this spirit and share this joy that we can have a positive way going forward. So for all of Trenchtown, the entire Jamaica, diaspora, the Caribbean, and everybody, something positive is here. Life is here for us to live. We just have to do the right thing. You understand? And I want Trenchtown. And I want Dream Team. You want Ramona.
One voice box. One voice box.
One Dream Team.
So I'm Ramona Samuels signing out today from the history and legacy of Trenchtown.
Oh, you know I'll get up to Jesus. Come here. Oh, yeah, man.
Finish, but
Them want to say something. Them want to say something. Them want to say.
United we stand, and divided we fall, and go back to ever be against the world. We together forever, you and United we stand, divided we fall.
Ramona Samuels, Kina Lifestyle TV, Jamaica land, we love Trenchtown, the history, the legacy, the people.
So guys, so you can check her out YouTube.
Yes, Ramona Samuels TV. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow The Voice Box Jamaica on Instagram at The Voice Box Jamaica. From 2010, we had The Voice Box. Isn't that I say? We're watching the nice and the crowd. We've been doing it.
It's the joy. It's the joy. It's the joy.
Right.
So we have some sly fish on the side. Yeah, itch.
Really get the style, cold store.
Yeah. Cold store settings.
Yeah. Really get the style, real motivation style. This.
Yeah.
Cold store.
So this is the vibe we're gonna be getting once we are back in Trenchtown, putting in the work.
This is where the kids them learn.
Yeah.
Cold store.
And then we shall earn.
And them shall earn.
Yeah. Once you learn, you shall earn. You know, it's no joke.
Big up the gym team, never change same way.
Not at all.
I don't know see me, I still gym team. Same way, nothing change.
And that them for now, nothing never change. Not because you don't see someone, not because of someone, nothing don't change. You know, same way.
Yeah. Wow, this I represent. No matter if I don't see my people, I'm still in the kitchen and see us spin it.
Still in my TikTok.
Oh, master leverage up on the TikTok. TikTok, you know.
Yeah, TikTok.
You don't know. We have vibes over there, we cook same way, we have party same way, we dance, we get everything, style. Master leverage for the app. One master leverage. People, just go search him. That's everything over there. Free, no, not freestyle, paper style over there.
Paper style.
You give it too much style. Paper style and over there.
What go on?
It's like an ants.
What country I say? Deep fryer?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, genius. Watch it now. And the big man there. I know a friend of the teacher like she want to turn me and like, you see what I say? So I'm just build it, you see it? It's about deep fryer, see the Esther, I leave it to you know. Want a deep fryer, you know, come with a fried chips, with a fried dumpling, and them things, because I love my dumpling them. And Tara.
Away my drink water. I could never run my water.
No battery. Gina, no battery. The plug-in one. Like gone, it done. Like gone, done. Put out cool on the side. It's a mess. My friend put shower.
You want to catch soda?
No. Friend put shower.
Stop put the weed in the camera now, man.
Let me eat that.
Stop put the weed in the camera.
Shower and she name Denny's. Whoa. I never want to eat this. It's a mess. Genius. I don't know.
Or if you know, you see you live here if you know, can you drink?
Yo, July come on birthday, more tick off something, not July. What is August? Yeah. When birthday? July 11 birthday, July 11.
So when worship tongue get heavy, you know what happens.
Hold on.
You know when the tongue get heavy, we know what happens.
Every Gina started to vex and like that day, now violating the brother.
But you talk about the birthday and what?
Yeah, man. 11 July my birthday, so now August, I say Esther, yo, get the deep fry, couple seasoning, I'm going to spice box of chicken back. Oh, my
birthday.
No! Birthday celebration! That was sure you can back that
deep fry and make everybody eat.
No, that's in August, man. Can't do it different.
August?
Yeah.
What about August?
Birthday in August. On to the music.
Better yard.
Better yard, but a yard there.
Better my yard.
Oh, better. Oh gosh, mind your wife hear that, you know. Why she watch the program? 1,000. Mind the tree them here where you swing pan, you know.
Yeah, you want me to know. This love you me had. And my sister don't eat. No eat. Meat.
Okay. Alright. See them. Of course, Mrs. Steam, curry chicken and crackers. The hero, curry chicken and crackers. Curry chicken and crackers.
Yeah, man, chef ball.
Yeah. That's what I'm doing.
Top chef in
That a go on, pan what a go on. What a go on. Alright. So we're going to put a go on, simmer down. It's a grill for the fish. That is that. Tell me happy there now. Oh, take the chance.
We don't have a vibe that certain people. You know that too.
Yeah.
When you come to John yourself, how many have vibes?
Don't, yes, take away yourself.
I don't think I'll tell you, look you when you see it. No matter what you feel, just because I'm a bit. Let me back and listen. Everybody make come on when you never said them, so they need to show respect to me. Me no understand some man on the legs, but me just couldn't put no bells on me head. Them live for my name still, me listen on the song, they want name still. Yeah, but that's how make it clear, so we are on the same still, me hope on another ticket. Nobody good with me things because I love you. They never tell you nothing trouble when you're trouble. Somebody could.
Sexy Terry.
Yeah.
Remember, big up.
Yeah, Sexy Terry, big up yourself.
Yeah, with that.
Alright, we'll keep the link, brother. You know where it goes.
Link can't
It can't then.
The link just get live.
Alright.
Big up.
Big up.
Next time.
Live wire.
Problem.
Yeah. It's a ticker chain link. The link. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Where am I there?
Alright.
Ticker chain link. So the road. Alright, undo the bangle.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.